So this is the level we have for our little enemy dude that we made, and we can do various things in here. I think this is one I also have set up now, so he shoots balls and makes our enemy disappear. So what we also want to do for this is now create a new level and be able to transition into that new level. So what we're going to do is go to File and Create New Level. And I'm just going to have a basic one. And so this will be my new basic level. And I want to create this level and be able to transition the player to it. So like if you play, right, I'm already here. And so, but when I'm on the other level, I want to be able to transition here. So what I'm going to do is come and save this one, save this level, right? Save current level as, and I'm going to put it in Gen stuff, and we're going to call this the new level. And hit save. And so now I have this new level. So if I want to go back to my other level, I would just say go open level. And right, that is my third person maps, my third person map. And that gets me this level that I started off with. So with this, right, I want to create someplace in here a trigger that is going to let me go to this new level. And there's lots of things you could do for a trigger. I'm going to just add we're going to create a new blueprint, right? And we'll call it blueprint new level. Say go to new level. And we need to add, so we want it to have something that we're going to collide with, right? Just like we've done before, we're going to have a box collision, and I'm going to just change the size a little bit. Or we'll call this our trigger to new world, new level. And we'll shrink it down a little bit. And we'll just make we'll also add a cube. Again, shrink it down. And just so we can, we'll come over here and orange seems good. So now we have this trigger that is going to be, and we could put this up here. So that this is going to be a box. We'll compile this, make sure it worked, save it, and we can close, and we can add that. We don't want it on this level, right? That is going to be on our other level. So we'll open our third person map. So now we're here, and now we want to add our container here, and we'll just move it up. There we go. And so we want to edit that still, right? We need to add overlap conditions, right? And so when we touch it, we're going to open level by name. And we have our name, right, which is new level. So we're going to compile, make sure it worked. Look at that, it was successful. We have unsaved things, so we're going to go back there. And then we're going to come here and hopefully that is updated, and we're going to test it. And we're going to come over and look at that. We ran over the box and we ended up in our new level here. Ooh. I always like the F button to help get me back when I get my view messed up. So there we go. There. So again, F is your friend of, and you could always go to the details or the outliner, find your item, and hit F so that you could easily display. So it's as simple as that to create a simple thing that you're going to click on that and go to a new level. Now, my levels right now, when I start the game up, right, should probably go to the third person, right? That's the initial one that's coming up. And you could go tell that by coming into File and Edit and Project Settings. And what we want to do is look for Maps and Modes. And this is going to be where your startup is. So if you want to start up in the new level that we created, right? We created the new level. We could start up in the new level instead, and so that'll be the first place we start. And this is just where we do the editor is, and so you could use that as your default for this, and your default game mode, and different things that you might want to change. Right now I'm in this level, so that's going to be where I start. And so just so you can show, we switch to the new level. Now I don't have a thing in the in this where I can create another trigger if I wanted to come back to the third person map. So I hope that helps on just a simple, easy way to open a new level with what you have.